Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow screen recording in Game Center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Content Restrictions and then put in the screen time passcode. In here, go down and tap on Screen Recording, and then you can choose between allow or don't allow. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.